WCSU just felt like home.
Everywhere you go, you see familiar faces, but you also see someone new.
I did get into other schools, but I didn't feel that welcoming feeling that WCSU gave me.
I like the environment that Western has. It's small, so it's more intimate.
All the events that we have on campus, I think they're really awesome, and the smaller size of the school allows students to really fully participate.
Take advantage of every opportunity that Western has to offer, and you'll thank me later.
The professors here just make it worthwhile.
I have professors that stay late just because I need to, help with some of my homework.
They do really care about you passing. They really want to help you out.
But it's just that extra step that they take to care for your future.
We have in-state tuition for New York and New Jersey students. It's key because when you leave college, you don't leave with a lot of debt.
Western is, this is a part of my life that I will never forget.